Hello, welcome to the Craft Bar. I'm showing you 5 festive, elegant graduation cards that you can make yourself. These were easy to make in just 2 hours by using similar papers and one single design. I really liked these papers. I went with simple black, white, and gold, and that way they matched any and all of the schools they might be going to and didn't have to worry about where they color coordinated. And I had a die for the Hip Hop Hooray, which was just perfect, really festive sentiment. I did cut these out with my Cricut, and this was my Cricut as well, but the card was a die that I had purchased already and liked it. So that was the first one. I really liked this gold. It got me thinking about how to use some other products, including my gold foil embossing. I had not used my heat embossing. I had not tried my heat embossing gun in many, many months, so I got out my ink and my foil and went to town to make that stand out against the black background, especially because I had this gold paper, but I did not have enough to cut out the I did not have enough of the gold paper to cut out the cap or the diploma. And then inside, 2026 and Hip Hop Hooray on those 2 strips. So I'll mark my sentiment in here and say, to who it is specifically addressed to. And that's the second. And this card I'm very proud of because I did all white and black, and I upcycled these stickers from another graduation card that didn't quite like the back of it. It was from another year. It said 2025. So I just used the stickers from it and then added it here for 2026. Really love that. Happy and fun. Hip Hop Hooray, and I'll probably end up tucking gift cards into these. All that beautiful gold again. The cap and tassel. And then another one inside. I have a few more of the diploma, so I may stick one down here after I write a message in it. And then the final version, some more of that lovely background paper. It has I don't know, it makes me think of like a tie, a small paisley. Not a paisley, that's not right. It's a diamond, it's a repeating pattern though. 2026. So these were easy to make. As I said, I used one single die to make the card with the circle and the coordinating inset pieces. And then I just grabbed 4 pieces of paper, white, the black, the gold, and the patterned paper, and was able to get these all taken care of in 2 hours. So an easy project. What would you do to add any excitement to these cards? I've got all these cards made and I really like them, but I look at them and I think they could use some more excitement, some more embellishment, but I don't know what to do with them. I think maybe if I had some black stickers here or some black dots, but then I think sometimes less is more. Let me know. Would you do something different? How would you embellish these? What could you do to add extra oomph to this? After I get it done, I always go, what more should I have done? All right. I like them all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'd love to get your feedback. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.